viewers, welcome to Neha's Bakery. Today we'll be making sharp edges in colored ganache.
First we'll make the cream cheese frosting. For that we are taking cream cheese, icing sugar, blend it together to form a smooth paste. Now we'll add some whipped cream to the paste and whip them together. Now we are taking 4-inch red velvet cake. The recipe of this cake is in the description below. Cut the cake in 2 slices. We'll put the cream cheese icing in a piping bag and apply sugar syrup. Now we'll make a well with white chocolate ganache and put the cream cheese frosting inside it. We'll repeat the same process for all the layers. Crumb coat the cake with white chocolate ganache. Mixing some powder color to our white chocolate ganache to make colored ganache. Now we'll ice our crumb coated cake with red chocolate ganache. We are using the upside down method for the sharp edges. For smoothing the ganache, we are dipping our scraper in hot water. Our cake is ready. Now we'll decorate the cake as it's a birthday cake. Some golden sprinkle. Mixing Evaporex with Volgen gold dust. This platter with a paintbrush. You can decorate however you want. I have added some artificial flowers and macarons and a birthday tag. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe and press the bell icon for regular updates. Recipe and products used in the video are given in description below. Suggestions are welcome for the next video. Thank you.